1995 G20 van, installing the backup camera. They already had a hole in the roof. There was a backup camera that goes to the rearview mirror, but it's missing. I had this one off eBay, 18 bucks. I found power right there. I put a ground wire up there. I strung it down there. Round over here. I don't have an on-off switch, but I got this plug in. There's the backup camera. For now, I'm just going to unplug that red connection there. But it's got the backup arrows, markings. So now, it's hard to back this big van up, but now you see, it's hooked up.